Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start now, park the machine on level ground, engage the parking brake and chock the wheels so nothing shifts. Once done, lower the boom slightly to take load off the stabilizer and shut down the engine. Then isolate the battery to avoid electrical activation. Make sure to clean the stabilizer pivot and surrounding area so you can see bolts and pins. Gather tools, 17 mm and 19 mm sockets, a torque wrench, and a hydraulic cap, because you will be loosening pressurized fittings next. With the machine cold and battery isolated, relieve hydraulic pressure using the bleed valve on the stabilizer circuit. Keep a rag ready and cap each line to prevent contamination. Next, remove the retaining split pin and washer that secure the main pivot. You may need a cold chisel and hammer to free a corroded pin. Once freed, use a hydraulic jack or chain hoist to carry the load and slowly drive the pivot pin out while supporting the stabilizer's weight, because uncontrolled drop could bend linkage or damage seals. After the pivot pin is out, withdraw the stabilizer leg straight and inspect bushings, seals, and the cylinder rod for scoring or wear. Replace any components that show damage to prevent failure. Clean mating surfaces thoroughly, apply anti-seize on pins, and reinstall everything in reverse order, tightening to the manufacturer's torque spec and replacing split pins. Once reassembled, run a slow functional test under low load and inspect for leaks or play. If you still see movement or a leak, stop and
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.